start.
Hello, I'm Rouge. We will talk about bullet trains. Also called a high-speed rail, it is a type of rail transport that runs significantly faster than traditional rail traffic, using an integrated system of specialized rolling stock and dedicated tracks. The first high-speed rail system, the Tokaido Shinkansen, began operations in Japan in 1964 and was widely known as the bullet train. It traveled up to 310 miles per hour, or 500 kilometers per hour. In 2003, the engineers tried to hit the top speed up to 581 kilometers per hour, which is fast as a commercial airline. In 2015, the new record broke out, went all the way up to 603 kilometers per hour. Again, it is much faster. It's fast as a Concorde that produces a Doppler effect. Just like bullet trains have a lot of power, in China, the Shanghai maglev train, opened in 2004, is the fastest commercial passenger maglev in operation at 430 kilometers per hour. In France, the Euro duplex TGV trains broke a record of 574.8 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest conventional wheel train in 2007. Several other countries have constructed and developed high-speed rail infrastructure in Belgium, Denmark, Russia, Spain and others. As discussed before about electric trains, then we will find something extra. How does the train work? Unlike conventional trains that use wheels, the maglev is based on magnetic levitation. Electromagnets levitate the train a short distance just above the tracks. These magnets also create the thrust that moves the train. No matter how fast it goes, the wheels levitate, compared with the airplane during takeoff. Although the problem we face is a derailment of a train. Suppose it's Spain train accident where the incident took place in July 2013, dozens have been killed and the many more injured in a passenger train derailment in northwestern Spain. It is the country's worst train accident for 40 years. It could be an out of control that is overspeeding, or an engine malfunction, or a human error, or reckless drive might have caused. So this topic you know about the bullet train. Like, comment, and subscribe now.